Great one. Everything was great, clean and stylish. I stayed for 4 nights with my family. Fantastic property, very impressed with the staff, always assist my inquiries. Everyone loves the small private swimming pool. The kitchen is big enough to cook your food. Very convenient to move around. I enjoyed my stay with my family. Thank you. Happy stay at P.House. Had family vacation at P.House. The host is very helpful, assist in things we requested and very responsive. The place has everything including drinks. The host even sent some snacks during our stay. Thank you for that. Hope to stay again in our next visit. Fantastic accommodation. Good place to stay in for family bonding time. Able to cook for meal whenever we want. Unfortunately, it will be difficult to park a 12-seater van as we need to drive in a small ally. Nice stay. It is comfortable to stay here with the family. Close to the market and ask is not far to the old city. The owner is very kind. Wonderful and pleasant stay. We had a pleasant stay at P.House. Excellent location, helpful and pleasant staff. The place is clean and well maintained, equipped with everything we need. Highly recommended. Excellent nice house for family with large room. 4 to 6 minutes walk to somewhere to eat.